Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone. Today we will be discussing how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. It's a really simple process, so let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then, tap on your name at the very top of the screen. Next, find and tap on iCloud. Now look for iCloud Backup, and tap on that. You should see the iCloud Backup page. Now, you'll need to toggle on Backup this iPhone. After a few seconds, the feature will activate. Optional, if you have enough data in your mobile plan, you can also toggle on Backup over mobile data. I'm going to turn that on. When you're ready, tap Backup Now to immediately start backing up your iPhone to iCloud. This might take anywhere from a few seconds to several minutes, depending on your internet speed and the amount of data you have to back up. Now, what if you want to choose which information gets backed up? Let's go back to the main iCloud settings. Find apps using iCloud, and tap on Show All. Here you'll see a list of all the information that can be backed up to iCloud. You can toggle these on or off. For example, if you don't want your photos to be backed up, tap on Photos, and make sure Sync this iPhone is toggled off. Another example is Passwords. If you don't want those syncing to iCloud, tap Passwords, and make sure Sync this iPhone is also toggled off. Are you getting a not enough storage prompt? That means you need to upgrade your iCloud plan to get more storage. To do this, go back to the Settings app, tap your name at the top, and then tap iCloud. In the iCloud settings, tap Manage Storage at the top. Then tap Change Storage Plan. Here, you'll see a list of different plan options. Keep in mind these options and settings might change depending on your region and when you're watching this video, but simply choose a plan with a higher capacity. You can also free up space by deleting information from your iCloud. Again, tap Manage Storage. After a few seconds, you'll see a list of everything stored in your iCloud. For example, if you don't want your WhatsApp messages backed up, tap on WhatsApp, and then select Delete Data. In the pop-up, select Delete. This will free up space in your iCloud account. So that's how you back up your iPhone to iCloud. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials from Fix Zone. Thanks for watching.